Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update tax loss harvesting records with Betterment for taxes, full guide step by step clearly. To update tax loss harvesting records with Betterment for taxes, begin by logging into your Betterment account. Navigate to the tax section on the dashboard. Locate the option for tax loss harvesting. Select the year for which you want to update your records. Review the tax loss harvesting transactions listed for that year. Download the relevant tax reports provided by Betterment. Open the downloaded reports for a detailed view of your transactions. Identify any realized gains and losses from the tax loss harvesting data. Ensure that these figures are accurate and reflect your investment activities. Cross-reference these numbers with your personal investment records for consistency. If discrepancies arise, contact Betterment's support for clarification. Once verified, note the losses to apply them to your tax filings. Consult a tax professional if you have questions about deducting losses. Keep a record of all documents and correspondence related to your tax loss harvesting. Prepare to input these figures into your tax software or provide them to your accountant. Saving and storing these records is crucial for future tax filings. Stay informed about any changes in tax laws that may affect your harvesting strategy. Regularly revisit your Betterment account to stay updated on your tax loss harvesting status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.